You become who you stand beside, not because you copy them, but because you absorb their energy, their standard, their silence. So choose your circle like your future depends on it, because it does. I fed a room of takers, thinking kindness made me whole, but they never filled my spirit, just emptied out my soul. I thought giving made me stronger. That's the trap of the naive. You can't plant seeds in concrete and expect them all to leave. Then I found the ones who pushed, not pulled. They saw my hidden spark. They didn't want my light, they just helped me find the dark. They showed me how to climb, not how to beg for wings. That's how I learned success is built through human springs. Because who you're near rewires you, your habits, dreams, and name. The loudest voice around you slowly programs your brain. If you dine with victims, you'll starve on their despair. But if you sit with builders, you'll breathe productive air. Stay close to the ones who raise you higher. Walk away from the noise and the liars. Be humble in power, be proud to stand tall. You can't help the world if you're too scared to grow at all. I wasted years explaining to those who didn't care, trying to lift the ones who love the weight of staying there. But no one hears a message they're not ready to receive. Convincing isn't kindness, it's permission not to leave. Now I let them be, I hope they find their way. But I can't walk their circles or relive their yesterdays. Peace isn't earned through argument, it's chosen through retreat. Sometimes wisdom means deleting, not repeat. And why? Because time's too short to beg for open eyes. You can't build your future where old comfort dies. Growth requires distance, love requires grace. Let them stay in theirs while you create your space. They said, don't be so confident, makes others feel small. But shrinking never built a bridge, it just built a wall. True humility's not silence, it's service that inspires. It's standing tall so others see the path beyond the fire. Stay close to the ones who raise you higher. Walk away from the noise and the liars. Be humble in power, be proud to stand tall. You can't help the world if you're too scared to grow at all. Thinking less of self doesn't lift anyone higher, it just dims your potential and kills your fire. The goal isn't ego, it's strength without pride. To know your worth, but keep your heart open wide. I've met leaders who whisper, not shout from a stage. Their calm builds respect, not digital praise. They listen more than they speak, they grow more than they show. That's real humility, power that doesn't need to glow. So choose your circle, guard your peace, and rise without defense. You don't owe your growth to anyone's pretense. The right people pull you forward, the wrong ones hold you still. And silence is the sign that you've mastered your will. Because life's too brief to play small for the crowd. Your calling's meant to echo, not blending quiet clouds. To love the few who challenge you, release those who confine, and walk your path with purpose. The humble kind of shine. Stay close to the ones who raise you higher. Walk away from the noise and the liars. Be humble in power, be proud to stand tall. You can't help the world if you're too scared to grow at all. Here's what to remember: the right people don't compete with your growth, they expect it. The wrong ones confuse your rise with their loss. You owe them kindness, not your potential. Stay kind, stay firm, stay climbing.